vessel service during the Second World War. I mean, you must have been cold out driving that down the road.
Thank you, thank you. Must have froze to death driving that. Really, really good coachwork, isn't it? Build quality. I suppose the rest of them just hung on the back, didn't they?
That's unbelievable.
That is cast iron. Heaven knows what that must weigh. Leyland chassis and a German ladder. Ironically, it was used in the Second World War. That's the interior. Nice big steering wheel. No power steering. Let's get a look behind the wheel.
I mean, God knows how much the chassis must weigh, because if the ladder's pointing off in that direction, it's putting a counterbalance on the front.
Exceptional detail. Huge steering wheel.
Yeah, all Smith styles.
Show you over the bonnet. That's a big bonnet.
I mean, one of the windscreens. Look.
Where's the horn? Four-speed manual gearbox.
Oh, what's that for?
Beautiful detail on the pedals. That's your manual gear lever. Plate down there. See your handbrakes down here. Press that. It's your handbrake. As I said, I love the pedals. Beautiful detail there. 3 pedals. Wow. Gorgeous bit of nostalgia. A bit tight in here. There's your mirrors. One there. One on the other side. Got your bell there as well, which will ring in a second. There's your bell. Some lights. Another thing, that is a big step up there off the floor. There's your details. We'll put a still of that on there as well. Very nicely restored. Huge ladder. Show you around the side. There she is. Beautiful restoration. Stunning detail. Leyland logos. The chassis was Leyland. Coachwork was BFB, and the ladder cast iron from Germany. Close up of the ladder operating equipment. That was a serious bit of kit for its time. Remember, it turned, it swiveled. Some more detail around the back. Sorry, not familiar what a lot of this stuff does. A couple of exhausts, some tow hooks. Look at that chain. All the way around. Some rope there. That chain goes all the way. Both sides. Duck under and go on the other side. We hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.